Yep, that's black.
Air filters are so satisfying. Oh, that's nasty. Speed bump. Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to yet another very funny video. Anyway, in today's video, very important, it is time again for the beloved Subaru Justy G3X we all love. Now, as I have told you guys before, this Subaru shitbox, yeah, it is a total mess. I have cleaned it up, I've got my license plates on, beautiful on the interior, beautiful on the exterior, but the engine has totally not been taken care for. So last maintenance I can tell is done at 34,000 kilometers, and this little Subaru shitbox now has about 170,000 kilometers. I know for a fact that the oil is as black as my morning coffee.
Yep, that's black.
Gonna change the oil filter, air filter, oil filter. We got some work to do. Now, I was going to put the Subaru shitbox on the car lift, but it's all about budget, so we're just gonna pretend we do not have a car lift. And I have to move way too many cars. It's all the way back there. Gonna go hardcore on the floor with my race ramps race mat. Just gonna do it on the ground, baby. Yeah, you gotta take out the top down again. Top down, GS2000 Jump Surge. It's a flashlight, it's got a double USB charger, it can jump start your car, and it's also got a DC 14-16 volt outlet. Love that thing. Thanks, Top Down. Now, I am planning on doing some heavy off-roading with the Subaru Justy, and also I'm gonna be driving it on track. So I got this laser iridium top-notch spark plugs, and they were about 120 bucks, 120 euros. So yeah, these spark plugs are 1/5 of the price I paid for the car. It's not really budget, but yeah, gotta have good spark plugs. Now, a little fun fact about this Subaru Justy. For its time, it was really an unusual presence. It's lightweight, it's a hot hatchback, and it's got a serious amount of ground clearance. Very unusual for its time and very interesting. That wheel doesn't look that good. But if we measure this really quickly, we got about 32, 31, yeah, it's about 31 centimeters. As for the chimney, it's about 38, 39. So that's only 5 to 6 centimeter difference. Yeah, so if you're looking for a budget car, you can also take off-road. That's the one. If you're still looking for a wife or a girlfriend or a boyfriend or whatever, I wouldn't suggest taking it in this color. What a beauty. Now, of course, air filters aren't really that much of a job. You just unplug everything. And with these cars, I mean, it's just as easy as that. Air filters are so satisfying. That's the job done already. Now the gas tank. Now the gas tank is also close to being stinky. The gas tank also being close to empty. So, extreme injector cleaner. Can't hurt nobody. If it doesn't kill you, little Subaru, it will make you stronger. Bottoms up, little Subaru. Oh man, you're gonna love this. Gonna make you brand new, little buddy. You really gotta love these Dodge engines, double overheated camshafts. I had about 10 Hondas in my life before, and these VTEC engines, these Japanese petrol engines, Dodge VTECs, they're just the creme de la creme. Really love these Japanese stuff. Careful. As I thought, these old spark plugs, they are a complete mess. Look at that. That little ignition point is just gone. They're black, they're nasty. Oh man. And look at these new ones. Oh yeah. This shitbox is going to fly. Air filter, check. Spark plugs, check. Time for the oil. Now, I'm not a good car mechanic whatsoever, but I know for a fact that that is not really safe. And the car could probably flip over, so we gotta make sure we're safe. Maybe it is time for electrical cars. I don't know. Gotta get the oil bucket under there. There we go. Greasy. Now I hope that this little plastic bucket is not leaking. This oil is indeed as black as my morning coffee. Dang it. Oh, that's nasty. We got some oil going on down here. So yeah, we probably got a leaking gasket or something like that. Not really gonna fix that, just gonna keep a good eye on my oil levels, but anyway, almost empty over there. Time for the oil filter. See, this is just coming off fairly easy. I gotta love these things. Sheesh. Now that is that. Look at that. Nasty. So nasty. Now that we drained all the old stuff out, we gonna, ooh, ASMR. Nah, that's not really ASMR. Anyway. Don't spill it, don't spill it, don't spill it. Gonna make the edges a little bit greasy. Always good for the rubber. Just gonna screw it back in as it came out. There we go. Try to keep it level. Tighten it with the hand. Job done. I can't find my funnel to get the oil in, so gotta be a little bit creative sometimes. Works perfectly. Now this is going to be one happy engine. Oh yeah. It is almost filled to perfection. Yeah, buddy. Now let's start her up and take her out for a spin. She's gonna be purring like a kitten. Now, I am pretty sure she has never run as smooth as she does now. This is... Speed bumps are fine. I mean, this really sounds fantastic. Speed bump. Ooh, dirt road. Dirt road. Rally road? Yeah, buddy. Go down a gear and disappear. Woohoo! Rally car, rally car. I love this car. She flies like a butterfly and stings like a bee. Oh boy, I'm glad that car isn't me. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you guys in the next one. Damn COVID. Peace, drive safe. See you in the next one. See ya.